Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Savanna. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. Yeah, man, Savanna is a very nice town area. So take a tour. On your left, you have the Savanna Hospital. If you make the right turn, it'll take you back to the town area, Savanna town area. Straight ahead will take you to Peters Field, Whithorn, Montego Bay. I'm gonna make a right turn and take you back to Ferris side, Ferris Cross. We are now entering into Paradise in Westmoreland. Yeah, man, I tell us a lot of paradise in Jamaica. We need to find them place, a hidden place in Jamaica, nice, cool, relaxing area. right, you have a Texaco gas station and Icon Mega Store. In the Paradise area also. So we are now leaving Paradise. On your right, you have the Palm at Paradise. Yeah, man, so you can check out the Palm at Paradise. You can check out my playlist where you see I have the Palm. You have different lot areas over there selling. Yeah, so you can check it out on my playlist. Welcome to Ferris Cross. On your right you have the Ferris Cross Primary School. So yes guys, I want to thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so if you don't want to know Jamaica, just tune into the channel. You see many different places in Jamaica, and only heard about those places, but Fire Reid will take you to those places. Yeah man, so always remember to like up the video. If you like the video, you can share it also. And if you're new to the channel, you can also subscribe if you enjoy the content. And if you want to see more content, just press the all icon, so as I upload the video you will be notified. Okay, so guys, big up on yourself, anyone of the yard or abroad. One love, one heart.